Why video? Why you? Why now? I'm Julia Glide, and I'm going to tell you why it's so important that you're using video right now. I have 3 very important reasons. I'll tell these to you quickly, and then I want to invite you to participate in something for free so you can practice creating your own videos and getting them out there in front of your ideal customers and clients. So here we go, 3 reasons. There are many reasons you should use video, but these are the 3 that I think really stand out to me and are most important for entrepreneurs. So number 1, I'm going to tell it to you using an analogy, and it's the word leverage. So let me talk to you. A lot of people know what leverage is, but let me tell you what I mean by this when it comes to video. So right now, take a minute and just pause. Look around you. Where are you? Are you in your home? Are you in the bedroom? Are you in an office? Are you out by the pool, in a park? Are you shopping and you're just waiting in line and you're looking through your social media and you came across this video? Are you looking at your emails? And here I am, I popped up in an email because we connected somewhere and you're in my VIP email list. Look around, just pause. Where are you? Where are you watching this video? Now, why would I ask you that? Because I'm here with you. If you're at your home, you're watching this video, I'm in your home with you. If you are in line at the grocery store, I'm there with you. This is super important for you to think about for your ideal clients and customers. You get to be in places that you normally wouldn't be when you use video. That's why it's so powerful. And you know, everybody's watching video right now on social media, on websites, on email. Video is very popular. People are watching it. And if you aren't on video for your business, those people are probably watching your competitors. They're going somewhere else. So it's very important that you are doing video. And the number 1 reason is it's leveraged and you get to be in places that you normally wouldn't be invited. You wouldn't be invited to everybody's homes. You wouldn't be invited to go shopping with people or stand in line with them, right? So that's the most important first reason. The second reason is time. And this one's really important. If you are an entrepreneur and you do networking, you're out at social events, you're looking for your customers and clients, and it takes a lot of time. With video, the cool thing is I am filming this short few minute video. I'm sending it to my email list, my VIP email list people. These are people that I've met when I was out speaking or somewhere, or they've opted in to be on my VIP list. It would take me forever to meet with everybody who's watching this video one-to-one. And networking events, a lot of the value in networking events is talking about meeting with people one-to-one, and I think there's a place for that. With video, it gets out to a lot of people quickly. They get to see you. They get to see you on video. They get to be out there. You get to make one video, and then it is going out to thousands of people. So for time, it's a big deal. So the first one was leverage. You get to be in places that you normally wouldn't get to be. The second one is time. You don't have time to meet with everybody one at a time, one. It takes hours and hours doing a short video, connecting with people, sharing your expertise, and then sending it out for thousands of people to see at their convenience, on their time, from wherever they want to, is so valuable. So that's the second reason. The third reason is it's a great way to build know, like, trust. The know, like, and trust. Example, you go to a networking event, and a lot of times you have to go over and over and over for people to get to know you, to build the know, like, and trust. You need to be in front of them a lot. When you use video, you get to build that know, like, trust quicker. Just like I said, you're in places where you normally can't be. You're out there in front of thousands of people, so the time, and you get to build the know, like, trust by video. They get to see your personality. They get to see your eyes, your face, hear your voice, see your gestures, see if they like you or not. And if somebody likes you and they feel like they know you and they trust you, which is a super important thing, you want to use video over and over, not just one time. But if they feel connected to you and you can fill the need that they have, bingo, you have a new customer or client. It's that easy. It's so important. I can't share this enough. I love helping entrepreneurs build their visibility through speaking and through video. Those are 2 of the best ways to build a business. And right now, video is so important, and you can do it. If I can do it, you can do it. So here's what I want to say. A lot of reasons that people don't do video, even though when I talk to entrepreneurs, I say, how many of you believe video can help your business? And they raise their hand. Yeah, I believe it can. How many of you watch videos? Everybody raises their hand. Yeah, I watch videos. How many of you are making videos? And it's quiet and nobody's raising their hands. And the reason is that so many aren't using videos is, one, it's not comfortable. If you've not done it, you're not good at it, it's just not comfortable. So that holds a lot of people back. The other reason is a lot of people don't know what to say. Like, what am I gonna say that is of value? How am I gonna get people to watch? I don't wanna be too long, I don't wanna be boring. Well, you don't have to be. And I'll tell you, I'll give you a little secret in just a minute. I told you I'm gonna invite you to something for free where I'm gonna teach you how to do this. A lot of people are held back because they don't know what equipment to use, or they don't make a schedule. There's a lot of reasons that people aren't using video. But to be honest, if you're an entrepreneur, there's no more excuses. You've got to make video. It's just like having a website. If you don't have a website for business, you might as well not be in business. And now it's to the point, if you're not using video consistently to connect with and be in front of your potential customers and clients, you are missing out. And I don't want that to happen to you. I want you to get on board. Here's a time to do it. I say, figure these things out and get out there before your competitors do, before everybody else is doing it. So let me invite you to something for free that I said at the beginning. It is a 3-day video visibility challenge where I'm going to teach you how to use the equipment, how to get in front of your ideal customers, what to say. I actually have a formula that I'll give you at the beginning of the challenge so you can use it every time you make a video in the challenge so that you can feel comfortable and confident. And the pre-challenge, now this starts on Wednesday, May 9th, maybe is today the 6th, 7th, 8th or 9th, I'm not sure, I can't remember, but it's Wednesday. It's Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. But before that, today's Sunday, that I'm filming this video, there's some free training available. So get signed up, register with the link. I'm gonna put a link right above this video so you can click it, or it might be below depending on where you're watching it. Get yourself registered. There's some pre-training as an opportunity for early visibility if you get in now, and you'll see what I mean when you get over there. Get to know more people, be in front of more people, learn to use video, take advantage of this free opportunity, and then you'll get comfortable. You'll know what you're gonna say. You'll have an idea of how to do it, and then all you do is start doing it. Oh, and the big thing that holds people back is they don't have a place to practice, because you don't want to practice on your potential customers. That's not a place to practice. But in this secret or private Facebook group that I'm going to be using to host the challenge, you get to be with other entrepreneurs that are practicing and doing the same thing, and you'll feel safe. You'll feel supported. You'll feel comfortable. It's a place to practice, so you're not sending out these brand new videos to your email list or on social media in a place where you don't feel comfortable and you don't want to scare those ideal customers away. So I hope you join us. The 3-day video visibility challenge is going to be a lot of fun, but it's getting ready to start. I don't want you to miss it. I'm not going to do it again anytime soon. So make sure you click the link, sign up, and I'll see you in the challenge. All right, take care. Bye-bye.